Hey everyone, welcome back to Radiant. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove those annoying user joined the group and user left the group service messages from your Telegram group chat. If you've ever managed a Telegram group, you know how quickly these messages can clutter up the conversation, making it hard to keep things organized and focused. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, streamlined group chat where only relevant messages pop up, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to be an administrator in the group you want to modify. If you're not, you won't see the necessary options to make these changes, so if you're just a member, you might want to ask one of the admins for support. To get started, open up your Telegram app and head straight to the group you want to clean up. Now, at the very top of the screen, you'll see your group's name. Go ahead and tap on it. This takes you to the group's information page, where you can see all the members, shared media, and some basic details. Look for the pencil icon or the button labeled Edit. That's your gateway into the admin settings. Sometimes, depending on your device, the button might look a bit different, but it's usually right near the top. Once you've opened the Edit menu, you're going to want to locate the Permissions section. In here, Telegram gives you fine-grained control over what group members are allowed to do, sending messages, adding media, changing the group info, and more. Scroll down to find the Other section. This is where you'll find the option we're after. Now, the key setting here is Add Users. By default, members can add new people to your group through an invite link, which is what triggers all those service messages whenever someone joins. You want to toggle the Add Users permission off for regular members. Once you do this, only administrators will be able to invite new users, and Telegram will quietly stop posting those automated user-joined notifications. Take a moment here, make sure you're only removing that permission from regular members and not admins. Otherwise, you might lock yourself out from adding anyone new. When you're satisfied, make sure to hit the checkmark icon or tap Done to save your changes. There's nothing worse than making a tweak and forgetting to confirm it, so let's avoid that pitfall. Within a few seconds, Telegram should update your group's permissions. So what happens as a result? The most obvious change is that your chat history will stay much cleaner from now on. New user joined or user left messages won't pop up automatically unless an admin adds someone manually. This can make a huge difference, especially in busy groups where people are coming and going all the time. You'll only see messages that are truly part of the conversation. One thing to note, though, this change won't retroactively remove service messages that are already in your chat history. If you still see old join or left messages hanging around, you'll need to delete those manually. It might take a few moments, especially in larger groups, but you only have to do it this once, and that's it. With just a few taps, you've taken control of your group's message flow and made things much easier for everyone involved. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues along the way. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. And if you want more practical Telegram tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.